Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to cover about the input type field, buttons and labels. So let's get started. And now I write the boilerplate code, and after this I simply write the heading of our topic. So we will discuss all of these tags. So I simply comment out this. So now what is input field? So you can see in some websites, so if they are a competition, so the website give you the form. So in this video we are going to cover this form. So all of these input type field, buttons and labels are covered on a form tag. So I simply write form, and after this here I can see that here is the action. So this is the work of backend, so we are not discussing it here. So I simply remove this, and under this, so after this I simply write input type. So I have a suggestion, so I simply hit the enter button and my input tag is appeared, and here the type is text. So what is type, how many types are there, so we will also discuss it. And now you can see if I click on the show preview button and I simply zoom my code, and here in the output you can see that the input field is appeared. And now I am using the placeholder attribute. So what placeholder attribute is, so if I write username for example, so you can see under the input field the username is appeared, and after writing any character you can see that there is no username placeholder is. So this is the input type, and I can use the name attribute also. So we can simply say username in it, and after the opening tag of form I simply write the label tag. So I simply write the label tag. So between the opening tag and the closing tag we write the username, and you can see that this username is the label of our this input field. What is for? So here you can see I write the username in the for, and I write the same value in the ID. So what it does, it does one thing. So now if I click on the username, our input type field is active. So you can see I click on the username, so you can see this input field are inactive. So I can write anything. So there are many types: type text, type password, type range, and there are many types. So we will discuss most of this in the advanced HTML module. So we will simply write the button. So I hit the enter button and I simply write this submit. So if I click on the show preview, you can see that there is the label. If I click on this, our input field is active, and I write anything in it, and simply here is the submit button. I click on this and the username is appeared here, and this is the queries, and so the backend is not connected, so it shows the username here. If I write for example Muzammil and I hit the enter button, so you can see that Muzammil is appeared here, so which is very wrong, but here the backend is not connected. So one thing which is important, that this value of the for and ID is same, then this feature is applied. What feature? If I click on the username, our input type field is active. So you can see this. If I change this, it doesn't work. So this is the video. So in the next video, we will discuss about the semantic tags. Thank you.